Today I am going to show you the AI agent that has the ability to store the long-term data. Whenever you're going to talk with the AI agent, do a conversation with it, then it will going to store that data so that if you need anything from it in future, you can get it. Like what if you have chat with the agent 5 days ago and now you want some insight from that conversation. So how you can do that exact thing I'm going to show you in this video. And I'm going to use n8n for this. You can self-host it and use it free. And second one I'm going to use is Airtable, and after that Telegram. So every time I'm doing a conversation with an AI agent through Telegram, then it will going to store the history, the data here in memory of Airtable, and it also have an ability to self-improve it by adding a real-time memory here. Before building this AI agent, let's show you that how it going to work. So now let's do a chat with the agent and see how it responds. Tell me about myself. From what you have shared, your name is Akash and you love watching entrepreneurial videos and sales. And also this message was sent automatically with n8n. Let's tell something to this AI agent like I love sales. I have noted that you love sales, and if you check on Airtable also, then and when I asked it for tell me about myself, then it's give this answer from here only. Hey, tell me what specific things or details you need to know to self-improve your memory. To improve my memory about you, it would be helpful to know a few more details such as any specific areas of sales you are passionate about, your favorite entrepreneurial figures or topics you enjoy watching, any personal goal you have related to sales or entrepreneurship. Yeah, I'm interested in AI automation niche for sales. I love watching Russell Brunson. No, entrepreneurship is only my goal because I don't want to work for someone 9 to 5 recording content, and I love playing football. Thanks for sharing all that information. Yes, I have noted the following about you. You're interested in the AI automation niche for sales. You enjoy watching. So let's refresh the Airtable and see it's added or not. Everything is here. Akash loves watch Russell Brunson and Alexa emoji. Akash is interested in the AI and automation niche for sales. Akash enjoys recording content. Akash loves playing football. Main goal is entrepreneurship. He doesn't want to work 9 to 5. So this is how agent can self-improve its memory. Don't worry about the backend, that how it's actually working. I'm going to show you it in very easy way, and you can also build the same agent in 15 minutes. So we are done with the demo part, and let's move to the step-by-step process to building this AI agent. So here I'm in n8n, this black dashboard. Here you have to do all your work. So let's first of all name the workflow, that is recall agent or memory agent, anything you want. You can just add it according to you. And after that, click on the add first tab, Telegram trigger. So Telegram is here, and click on this and search for on message. So here the on message, click on this. Now you have to connect to Telegram with your credentials, and if you don't have your credentials, so click on create a credential here. So now you need an access token for this. To get the access token, go for the Telegram in mobile or your laptop screen, and here in the left corner, click on the 3 dot and then go for the new channel and create a new channel. So give a channel name like tutorial and create it and make it private and skip adding for people for now, and after that type @Godfather and send it to it. Click on this hyperlink of Godfather, and now it comes with bunch of data. I can help you create and manage Telegram bots. Type /new bot. Alright, a new bot, and now it's saying to give a name for my bot. So let's name it Rickle bot. Good, now give a username for your bot. So Rickle underscore bot. Sorry, this username is already taken. Please try something different. So let's choose some unique one. Insane underscore Rickle underscore bot. Done. Congratulations on your new bot. And now in the second para, here's an access token. Just copy it and go back to the n8n and paste there like this, and save it and close this node. And now after the Telegram trigger, we are going to use the Airtable. So click on the plus icon again and search for the Airtable. And here's the Airtable icon, and then we need to add search records. So here the search records, click on search records, and here also you need to create a new credential. Click on create a credential, and we need an access token. To get an access token, we need to go on Airtable. So search for the Airtable, login or sign up, whatever you want. In the downside of left corner, you get the option of setting or account. Go to the builder hub, and here you get the option in developers that personal access tokens. Click on that, and from here you can create a token. Click on create a token. Now we have to give it a name. So let's go for tutorial. After giving the name tutorial, we have to go for add a base and choose the option all current and future bases in this workspace. After that, we have to add scope. Actually, we need only one scope, this one, but we are going to use all so that we don't need to face any error and all. So let's select all scopes and click on create token. And here is your access token for Airtable. So just copy it and paste it to the n8n and save it and just go back. We are done with the credential, and here in the resource, select record, and operation will be search operation. And let's come to the base part. Here nothing is base as we haven't created any Airtable database right now. Go back to the Airtable and here the option build it now, and the left side in blue icon you get an option of create. Maybe it in blue color. In my screen it's not visible because of some obvious error. And select build an app on your own. Call this agent a recall agent, and let's rename the table also. Type a memory here, and here where it is written as name in the first row, click on edit field and name it as memory, and we are going for long text. And just save it, and let's remove all the other stuff. We don't need all this. Click on here and you get the option of delete field. So let's delete all this field. Let's first one and the second one. We are done with this, and let's delete this unnecessary rows also. User's name is Akash. Now go back to the n8n, and here from list choose for recall agent or whatever you have named to your agent. So recall agent, and in table search for memory. Turn off this return all. We don't need. Set the limit to 45. So I need only 45. So let's go for 45 only. Go back to the canvas, and now we need an aggregate. So search for aggregate, and here with the orange icon, click on this and set this aggregate into the individual fields. And for the input field name, we need to enter the name of our field which we have used before. That is in the Airtable we have used this memory one, so we have to just write the memory here. Now click on the plus icon again and search for the merge node, and change this mode from append to combine, and combine by all possible combinations, and go back to the canvas again. Let's add this telegram trigger with the input 1 and this aggregate with the input 2, just to look better. So now it's merging the two pieces of information together. So when the message will send, then it will going to grab all the information in the Airtable, and all the information which are in Airtable, it will going to aggregate in the single item using the aggregator, and then it will going to take the text that I sent through a telegram, and it is going to put that into a single item so that we can pass this special packet here over to our AI agent. So now we are done with this, and now we have to add an AI agent. But before adding the AI agent, let's trigger this. So before this, go back to the telegram and here add the rate your bot name. So mine one is recall bot, so just add rate recall bot, and again you get the bunch of things, but here you get the option of my bot below the new bot. So just click on this my bot, and here you see the option of my bot. So click on this my bots, or just type /my bot, and after that here it is recall bot. It will come with hyperlink of your username of bot. So just click on this hyperlink @insane_recall_bot, and now you are in chat with your recall bot, and here type anything you want, like a tutorial, just type it, and see here the workflow is executed. And now click on the plus icon again and search for the AI agent, and see in the left here the text tutorial is here which you have sent from the telegram. And also in memory here is written as user's name is Akash, so it fetch the data from the Airtable. Go to the source for prompt or user message, and here go for define below, and in the prompt user message just drag this text icon and paste it here. We are done with this, and click on the add option and go for the system message. And now you have to write a prompt here. Don't worry, for that I will give you the whole prompt. So first of all we need to go for current time or day. So current time or day, and $now and $now, it will going to give a current time or day. Go for the prompt. You are an AI assistant with the capability to store and access memories regarding the user. To store a new memory or observation at the beginning of your recent memory list, you can utilize a memory tool that enables you to record brief. So it will going to use a memory tool that enables you to record brief single sentence insights about the user for future reference, allowing you to personalize your response output. You are not required to always personalize responses using these memories, but when there is a valid reason to customize your reply, you can reference the memories list below. These memories have been recorded by you. If you need to gather more information, about the user for future interaction, you can ask questions to document their preferences. Okay, so we are done with this, and after that read your most recent memory here, and just drag this memory with the username is Akash, just drag this to the here. Okay, so $json.memory, and here in the result you see that user's name is Akash. Let's just modify user's name is Akash with AI and automation. Now go back to the n8n and also tailor your response based on relevant memories if you find that memory is relevant to the response. Always maintain a conversational tone that's engaging and helpful without being overly casual or playful. Focus on the main point that matter most. and just save it and go back to the canvas. And now we have to add the chat model. Click on OpenAI chat model, and here we have to add the credentials. So if you already have a credential, just add it, and if you don't have, go to the platform OpenAI, and from here, and you must have at least $5 in your OpenAI account. If you don't have, just add it from your billing section. Search for API key. You can just make your own API key from here and paste that API key here. Create your credential, as simple as that. After that, for the model, I'm going to use for GPT-4o mini. So we are done with the OpenAI chat model now. So just search for memory, and here we got the option of simple memory maybe, and maybe in your n8n this will come with window buffer memory. In my it comes with simple memory. So just click on this and change this session ID to the defined value. I will go to the mapping, and for the key we are going to drag this chat ID, and now we have to select the context window length. This is just for the better response, so leave it at 5 only. So we are done with the OpenAI chat model and the memory as well. And now it's the cool part, because we are going to add a tool here. This is the only tool for self-improve the memory. So it's the very fun part now. So search for the Airtable, and here you get the option of Airtable tool. And first of all, I'm going to rename it. Let's call it memory and credential to connect with. So you should be connected with your credential, which we have done earlier. So that's not the problem at all. And tool description, I'm going with set automatically. And for the resource, we are just choosing the record and change this operation from get to create. And from here, we have to search for the base. So click on this and search for recall agent, and in the table click on the memory. This should be set on map each column manually. Come to the values to send and change this from fixed to expression, and here I'm going to use from AI, dollar from AI, and then parenthesis, and inside parenthesis single inverted comma, add underscore memory comma, write a memory for future reference about the user in 130 character or less. So we are done with the values to send. This from AI expression will going to allow the agent to write its own memory. And now go back to the canvas, and now it's come to the last step. Click on the plus icon again, search for the Telegram, and go for the send a text message. So credential to connect with Telegram account, resource will be message, and operation will be send message. And I'm going to write a chat ID here. If I want, I can just copy and paste it here, but I'm going to write it. So dollar parenthesis Telegram trigger and dot item dot json dot message dot chat and ID, and in the text we are going with $JSON. So this Telegram trigger is basically the name of your node, which is going to trigger the Telegram. As the name of my node is Telegram trigger, and if you have edited the name of your node, so just write that in the place of Telegram trigger. And in text, I'm going to paste this expression $JSON dot output. So it will going to just execute the previous node for preview, basically the output from the previous node. And now we are done with this, and we have to just check this entire workflow. Click on here, active workflow. Don't do anything with this, just click on got it. Make sure to save this, otherwise you will going to lose everything. So let's go back to the Telegram in the recall bot, and now here we can chat with our agent. So just type tell me who I am. Let's see the response. You are Akash and you are involved in AI automation. If there's more you would like to share about yourself or any specific area you are interested in, feel free to let me know. Let me open one more window of n8n also here, so you can see everything. And now I'm going to type don't you know more about me, and I'm going to check also that it will going to recognize that YK or not. I only know what you have shared so far. Your name is Akash and you are involved in AI automation. If you would like to share more about your interest or hobbies or any details, I would happy to remember that for future conversation. Now I'm going to add some details into memory. So I read Export Secrets and $100 million offers. Both are my favorite books. Got it. I have noted that Export Secrets and $100 million offers are your favorite books. Those are great choices. What do you like most about them? Look how much it's trying to improve its memory by itself. Let's add something more. I also have a YouTube channel with 55 subscribers where I'm providing value to my audience so that they learn AI and earn. Send it, and let's see if the information is added or not. So here earlier it was only user's name Akash and AI automation, but now so here's all details which I have added, like Akash favorite books is 100 million offers and Expert Secrets. Akash finds Expert Secrets for base building, and Akash has a YouTube channel, and Akash focus is on helping everything I have told to the AI agent. It saves the data in the Airtable and here in the memory. And now if I want this conversation like after 5 days, 6 days, I can just ask for it and it will going to fetch the data from here and give it to me. Let's add something more, like I love making content, and see here Akash loves making content. So we are done with building this AI agent, and hope you guys enjoyed this video of AI agent with a long-term memory using n8n, Telegram and Airtable. And if you want such more videos like this, keep watching.